have in my hand the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360 i5, and this laptop is part of 3 other devices: Galaxy Book Ultra, Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, and the Galaxy Book Pro that Samsung released in 2023. Portability is the name of the game for the Galaxy Book 3 360, and that is reflected in its weight. At just 1.16 kg, it is the lightest of Samsung's 2023 laptops. The aluminum chassis is available in either a graphite or silver finish. The Galaxy Book 3 360 is powered by Intel's 13th gen processors, which generally strikes a good balance between performance and affordability, something Samsung tries to reflect on this very unit. Before we continue, let me tell you about esupply.co.uk. For laptops, monitors, phones, tablets, PCs, TVs, and sound systems, esupply.co.uk is your go-to website for price match guarantee with free shipping and return. Thank you. In buying a 360 laptop, one of the major concerns will be the build quality on the hinges, and Samsung has done a fantastic job on this. The 360 hinge feels tough enough to survive plenty of transformations, especially between laptop, tent viewing, and tablet modes. Each of the convertible modes work really well, feeling steady and very secure. Moving on to ports and slots, you get 2x USB-C, of which 1x supports Thunderbolt 4, 1x USB-A, 1x HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack slot. The display on this unit is one of the key highlights of the Galaxy Book 3 360. It's a 13.3 inches AMOLED touchscreen that delivers a great all-round viewing experience and supports Samsung's S Pen stylus, which comes included in the box. With a keyboard flipped in tent or tablet mode, it's a great option for digital drawing and taking notes. It is very responsive, yet offers plenty of control over both precision and pressure sensitivity. One potential concern when combining a powerful Intel processor and a bright AMOLED display is battery life. The Galaxy Book 3 360 only has a 68-watt typical battery, but Samsung has done an excellent job of keeping power consumption to the minimum. The Galaxy Book 3 360 runs Windows 11 Home out of box, and Samsung has added a ton of its own softwares to this unit. With Samsung's own version of settings, you have the option for using a Galaxy Tab tablet as a second screen with the Galaxy Book 3 360. You can also quickly sync Galaxy accessories such as earbuds or seamlessly share content with your Galaxy phone. The Galaxy Book 3 360 is not a speed demon, but it gets the job done. So if you're looking for a gorgeous display with a fast refresh rate, slim but steady build, exceptional battery life, and an enormous touchpad, then you should consider the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360. Check out esupply.co.uk for a special 20% discount while stock lasts. See you in the next video.